Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Right, I'm going salmon kit, right? I'm going to ascend into the sky. I'm gonna make a boat, and then I'm gonna descend on the boat to mid, and it's gonna be awesome. Is that guy just floating? Well, he is. That's awesome. So he's having a jolly time. Where? Okay, there is a severe lack of wood in my possession. So I'm gonna kill someone for wood. This kid has wood. Oi, you have wood for me. I need that wood. Don't get knocked off because I want your wood. Okay. 17, that's good enough. You didn't even loot this chest. Does this have wood? It does not have wood. This is tragic. I need... Is there no crafting table? There's like always a crafting table here. Okay. Make a boat. Slabs. More slabs. And I need more wood. Okay. I'll just mine this. Oh, he had an axe, didn't he? He did. Okay, now I ascend. Okay, he's gonna wait. He's gonna be chill. Which is super dope. This guy is so awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. So, I'm going to go like this. Get in the boat. Come down. Jump up. Water bucket and destroy him. I had to lag as well. I had to lag. Bro. Awesome. Okay, now I ascend. Also, you got really good armor, which is nice. I think that this map has a high build height. There it is. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome, trust me. Okay. I go like this. I go like that. Pick that up. Pick that up. Put that in 5. Blocks my bar. Okay. Okay. I'll wait for these guys to fight. And then I'll descend. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome, trust me. He's insisting that I'm sky basing because I'm in the sky in a base, but there's a severe difference. Okay. When he comes over, I'm gonna descend. Oh my gosh. No, my precious. They're not fighting. And he slipped. Okay, this is awesome. I'm going to descend because he's gonna get all the mid loot and win if I don't. Where did the boat go? Can I spawn this boat, please? Can I? Okay. Can I get in the boat? Oh my. No! Okay. He did not chill. He did not chill. That is what happens when you don't chill. This prime example. Okay, that actually I can go like this. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, so that'll wrap it up for this video. It's pretty awesome, I know. But yeah, that's it. Good day. You oh yeah, like and subscribe. That too. Like and subscribe to the video and comment something. I don't really care, but you should comment something. Good day.